Okay, this is the same day. Same day. Yeah. I am so glad I did not go walking. Yes, we have a winter storm here, a blizzard. This is what we call a blizzard. Blizzard. Saturday blizzard. My clothes are in the dryer. Hi, Frankie. And I think it's possible to open the curtains because there is no sun shining in. Not right now. We have full blizzard mode. Ooh, squeeze. Eek, eek, eek. There we go. Open. We moved Wilson. Wilson was getting sunburned. There we go. Yep. White. That's it. White. The plants are surviving. Surviving the cats. That's my mother's. That is my mother's cactus. Yeah, Amy was willing to accept that. It's much happier now. My mother was, despite having many plants and being an outdoor gardener, she was not great with plants. She thought many things, and she was not great with any of them. Nope. Okay, well, that's it. Winter.